Forget having these in the restaurant because today we are making delectable Hara Bhara Kababs right in your own kitchen. Not only will this recipe fit right into your diet, it's also so freaking good that there's no way you'll eat just one. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this is a recipe I have been dying to try. And to be honest with you, it did take me some time to really dial this in, but I'm telling you, the end product will be worth it. So without further ado, let us jump into the video. Time to make this delicious and healthy recipe, boys and girls. The first thing we will be doing is heating 14 grams or 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan on medium heat. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of hing. Once it starts to crackle, let's go ahead and add 1 large onion chopped and saute it for a couple of minutes. Then add 50 grams of green bell peppers, 50 grams green peas, 50 grams of French green beans. Stir and cook on medium flame for about a minute. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and about 3 to 4 green chilies. Mix well and cover it and let it cook until the raw smell goes away. Time to then add 2 cups of spinach and half cup coriander into the mix and cover again and cook until the spinach wilts. Spinach leaves will leave water, so no need to add it. If it looks dry or starts sticking, sprinkle just 1 teaspoon of water into the mix. Later, add half teaspoon of salt, garam masala, mango powder, chaat masala, and mix well. Switch off the flame and allow the mixture to cool. Then, without adding water, grind the mixture into a paste just like this. Now, into a bowl, add the paste, 300 grams of boiled, peeled, and mashed potatoes, 60 grams of crumbled paneer, and 40 grams of besan or chickpea flour. Here, you can also add some salt if you'd like. Get your hands in there, guys, and form a soft, little sticky dough. Heat a pan and coat it with cooking spray. Go ahead and make round patties and place it on the pan with the cashew in the center of each. You can grease your hands with a bit of cooking spray in case the dough gets too sticky. If you'd like, before you turn the patties, you could coat the surface of the patties with cooking spray and then turn them. This will help in making it more crisp. So cook on medium flame till both sides are crispy, and there you go. Alright guys, time to test this out. Oh, can't wait. Let's see if it tastes just as good. Oh my god, the combination of flavors in this is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna take another bite here, guys. This is insane. Usually, Hara Bhara Kababs are deep fried and they have tons of calories in them. But this is just phenomenal. It has very low calories and it tastes just as good. So for the entire recipe, if you make it exactly like how I made it, it is a total of 837 calories, of which 100 grams of carbs, 30 grams of fat, and 44 grams of protein in it. And if you divide this into 2 servings, that is 4 of these kebabs, then each serving is 418 calories, 50 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, and 22 grams of protein, guys. This is what I call guilt-free eating, guys. As long as you track your food and you're on a calorie deficit, you can eat whatever the hell you like and still lose weight and continue to make progress. So try this recipe out, guys. If you do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish 1 serving of this, and I will see you in the next video. Wow.